पिंक बॉल टेस्ट में जो 11 खिलाड़ी खेलेंगे उसमें एक निश्चित नाम जो है कप्तान रोहित शर्मा। और मैच से ठीक एक दिन पहले जब बल्लेबाजी अभ्यास की बात है, हालांकि ये ऑप्शनल प्रैक्टिस सेशन था, तो रोहित शर्मा आए। बहुत ज़्यादा देर उन्होंने बैटिंग नहीं की, लेकिन आधे घंटे करीब उन्होंने नेट्स पे पसीना बहाया। लेकिन रोहित शर्मा का इंतज़ार हो रहा था प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस में, रोहित मिडिल ऑर्डर में बैटिंग करेंगे या फिर ओपनिंग करेंगे, और अगर उन्होंने ये फैसला लिया है तो क्यों लिया है। तो ये सवाल हम लोगों ने पूछा, और सुनिए रोहित शर्मा का जवाब।
uh, and how I came to that decision of batting down the order is clearly, we want results, we want success, and those two guys at the top. Just looking at this one Test match, they batted brilliantly. I was at home with my newborn in my arms, and I was watching how KL batted. It was brilliant to watch, to be honest. Uh, and I felt that there's no need to change that now. Maybe in the future things will be different. I don't know. So based on what has happened and what KL has shown outside of India, he probably uh, deserves that place at this point in time, and it is something that has given us success in the first test to have that big partnership with Jaiswal on the other side. Probably won us the test match. When you come here in a place like Perth and you get 500 runs odd, it's a massive tick to the box. So I don't see we need to change that. But what I saw from the outside looked brilliant. So and there was no need to change anything. So it was actually pretty simple for me. But personally, not easy. But for the team, yeah, it made a lot of sense. No, it was superb. I was on the plane. Luckily, I managed to get a Wi-Fi on the plane, and I was checking the scores. And when I landed, I was a little tired. So it was, I think, day three, and we were comfortably placed at on day three. And day four is when I went to the ground. I wanted to get some hit as well. And then to see the guys doing so well and win the test match uh, was was superb. And when you arrive to a scene like that, nothing can beat that. It was superb to watch everyone play and get the result in our favor, which was very very pleasing to see. पता नहीं अभी ये वो उधर क्या हो रहा है मैं कैसे बता सकता हूँ, क्योंकि उनके ड्रेसिंग रूम में और उनके टीम के अंदर किस तरीके के बातें हो रही है, आई सीरियसली हैव नो आइडिया अबाउट इट. सो आई डोंट नो व्हाट आई कैन से अबाउट इट, बट क्लियरली देयर इज सुपर्ब एनवायरनमेंट हियर which we want to enjoy. As far as I am concerned, it's just bat versus ball. All those are external factors which personally, for me, I don't really look too much into that. That's my personal view on it. But obviously, if there is something happening, the boys are not afraid to, uh, you know, uh, give it back, or if there's a conversation happening on the field, boys are not afraid to do that either. But personally, for me, there's so much to think. For me, these are not such important things for me personally. For me, what is important is how we can get the results in our favor, how we can have some success. Those are the things that I look into whenever I play the game, whether it is here in Australia or for that matter, Australian as an opposition. Uh, it's always been for me how I can find some success, how the team can do well, things like that. And pink ball certainly does a little bit more than the red ball. And at the same time, we've been training here for the past 3 days, and I certainly felt that the more time you spend playing the ping ball, it gets a little easier as well. The bounce is there. Obviously, there will be challenges. Ping ball will have its own challenge under lights during the day as well. You just have to find your own way of dealing with it. I think that is something that we as a team have spoken in the group, and try and respond to that current situation. Whatever is happening at that particular time, you feel whatever is best for you to do at that point in time, you have to do it. And the team will back that decision to do what is necessary at that point in time. So it's just about understanding. We've watched a lot of games that has been played here as well, and we do understand what the condition has to offer. As the game goes on, the conditions changes a little bit. So we are quite aware of all of those things. It's just about making those decisions on the field, whether it's with the bat or with the ball, and try and do that perfectly. But it's always hard to leave an experienced players like Jadeja and Ashwin. It's never easy. But I think the decision was made, whatever was best for the team at that particular time, and whatever the management felt at that particular time is right thing to do. We did that, and that is, I think, what throughout the series we will look to do. Whatever we feel at that particular time is the right thing to do, we'll try and do that. But yeah, I certainly see them playing a huge role in the rest of the series, because what they bring to the table never be written off, because they are quality players, and they have whatever success Indian cricket has had over the past few years is largely because of these two guys as well. So, we will never count that, performances of theirs, what they've done for the team. It's important for us to realize certain grounds here will bring certain players in the game a lot more. So we have to try and do that. And whatever suits the team the best, we try and make those decisions based on what we see in front of us.